Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing next to a brand new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This is one of the most popular boats in our area, and for great reason. You'll see here up in the bow, you've got a great space to entertain, lounge, and you can ride there while underway. This is definitely not your grandpa's Sundancer. They've totally redesigned this model to where you've got bow seating. You've got a lot more cockpit space for entertaining and spending time out on the water. And this boat is equipped with outboards. This particular one has twin V10 400s, which is an incredible engine package. You drop the throttles, it's fun plane, drives like a sport boat, but you also get the great maneuverability and everything with the joystick, super quiet. This boat we just got in, and you can see here it's got the gorgeous quantum blue hull color. This is one of Sea Ray's newer colors, and definitely looks real sharp. Stepping onto the boat, you'll see you got a huge swim platform here that makes it easy to board port and starboard side, so it doesn't matter what side of the dock you park on. Real easy getting in and out. Off the transom here, got a great spot for storage. If this were mine, I'd keep lines, fenders, any kind of water toys. You could put some snorkel gear and stuff in there. Great access off the back of the boat. Stepping in. So this boat has the woven vinyl infinity flooring, which looks real sharp. It's snap-in, so you can remove it when you're cleaning the boat. Here and there, makes it real easy. Just notice the seating layout of this boat. I mean, this boat is designed for entertaining. You've got a big wraparound seat here in the cockpit. You've got honeycomb woven stitching in it. Right now we've got the filler cushion here down low, so you can make this spot a little bit bigger and turn it into a bed. But there is a beautiful teak table underneath. Swap out the poles there, raise that up. It's a great spot to have some cocktails or lunch with some friends. Over here on the starboard side, you got your summer kitchen. So you've got a stainless fridge, you've got an electric grill, and a sink. So very usable area on this side. But you know, you walk around here, you got a great social entertaining area. This boat is equipped with cockpit AC and cabin AC, so you can cool this area down during the summer, and when it's during the winter, you can turn the heat on. Got twin Simrad screens, flush mounted in the black acrylic, so it's a real clean look here up at the dash. You've got your Mercury joystick, so docking or maneuvering in tight spaces is super easy, gives you total control over the boat. This one's also equipped with the Lenco Auto Glide tab, so it has a self-leveling trim tab system. If it senses an unequal distribution of weight, it'll automatically tab for you. So man, just really making boating easy and a lot less things to think about now. You even have active trim. So standard on all these new Mercury outboards is active trim. That'll automatically trim your engines for you. So start the engines, drop the throttle, and you don't have to worry about too much. They make this boat a few different ways. This way is pretty popular. This is I call it like a half coupe. So you've got the full glass in the front. You can also get it half glass, and you can get full glass on the front and the sides. I think that this is a pretty good option here in Florida because it is nice getting that kind of breeze from the side. But they make it three ways for different reasons, and a lot of times people have a different preference. So got the opening skylight here, so if you wanted to get some sun, you open that up. And let's walk up to the bow. So you can feel real safe and secure coming up to the bow. Huge area to lay out. You've got adjustable headrest, you've got fold down armrest, charging ports, got another stereo remote here, so if you don't like the song or you want to change the volume, crank it up preferably, you can do that from right there. Got your windlass, spotlight, and this boat, it's an option, but this one is equipped with a table that goes right here. Again, having some snacks or something on the boat, it's a great spot for it. All right, now let's check out the cabin. All right, follow me in here. You'll see they did a great job with the design in here. You've got this area is already converted into a bed, but there is a removable filler cushion here. Can raise the table up, and this is a nice spot that, you know, if it's early morning or inclement weather, it's another spot that you can dine on the boat. You've got a TV forward, got a TV in the aft cabin as well. Microwave, refrigerator, storage. You got storage under these seats as well. And then check out the head on this boat. They did a great job with the design on it. Very luxurious. Got storage behind the mirror. Nice tile. And then the aft cabin here, they did a great job. The way that it's currently set up is you have two twin beds, but they do slide together, and there's filler cushions that fill in the gap. So this whole area, the whole beam of it will turn into a bed. So thanks for taking the time to walk through the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Again, my name is Jordan with MarineMax Jupiter. If you'd like to see this boat in person, or if you'd like more information about boats we have in stock, give us a call at MarineMax Jupiter. Thank you.